Sundowns naye aphi ingawina le case inyanzelo uRibeiro uba makabuye, but ayinoba grand lawyer, awunobuyisela umuntu ongafuni uba phaa umhlalisi. So Jambile uRibeiro next season uzodlala anywhere else but iSundowns. Ngaye experience eTunisia okanye aye ke-Al Ittihad eLibya okanye aye ke-Orlando Pirates okanye aye ke-Kaizer Chiefs. If kusejonga ziyakwazi ususa indaba, if kusezinayo iplug Kaizer Chiefs nePirates zingamlanda nayo Ribeiro. Football business bafethu, if ufuna uba i-big club bafethu kufuneka wenze i-big moves. So yeah. Majita, welcome back to the channel bafethu. Igama lami nguseko, uFootball SA lona. More big transfer news bafethu, uJuly unjalo, big transfer news wire. Hey, it's hard to keep up bafethu. Indaba zipheli bafethu niziya ngoba nkulu elkadah. Namhlanje nithetha ngoGaston Serino, Thabo Cele, Claude Lililepo, Hugo Broos, Emil Witbooi indaba yakhe nePirates, Lucas Ribeiro. First top story bafethu, I would say Thabo Cele Majita. Hey, Kaizer Chiefs fans zixabile zikwatile bafethu. According to multiple reports from multiple top journalists bafethu, uThabo Cele ushekile akahambanga neKaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs yeSpain. Ushekile ntoni? Ushekile because Kaizer Chiefs iyamchitha umjita, uyahamba Kaizer Chiefs. Banegotiate i-exit according to a leading journalist apha eMzantsi, uMazolo Molefe ka-SABC Sports. SABC Sport can confirm that Kaizer Chiefs and midfielder Thabo Cele are engaged in discussions over a possible early exit, although the player is prepared to honor the remainder of his contract should an agreement not be reached. Cele was a notable omission from the Amakosi squad that traveled to Spain for their pre-season tour under new coach Fernando da Cruz, despite having featured throughout the club's preparations for the 2026-27 campaign. So bafethu, if khanguzithole Majita, Kaizer Chiefs ivayile izolo ngolwesine ebusuku ihamba ye-pre-season training eSpain. Into eqala 3-4 seasons ago mos ngoku Kaizer Chiefs yaqala yaya eTurkey, last season yayi Netherlands, kulo nyaka yeSpain. Iqhubeka report and le ndawo yona ndawo enothusileyo lena. Information reaching the public broadcaster indicates that the 28-year-old only learned of his exclusion shortly before the team's departure, having expected to be part of the traveling contingent. Wow. If sometimes you say English now, yakshaya bafethu njengami, sometimes if I show up kuthiwa ikuse ucele ebejima apha engazithola umjeci efana nayo yahamba eSpain, and then wazithola isikhathi esivayile sekuzohanjwa ba isemfethu awuvayi khazi. Yo bafethu. And the next party report, the midfielder joined in January last year after spending much of his professional career abroad, and his return to the Premier League was viewed as a marquee signing, with Amakosi having tracked him for several transfer windows before finally securing his services. It's believed discussions are underway over a possible settlement that would allow both parties to part ways before the expiry of Cele's contract, which still has 2 more years remaining. However, these are sensitive at the moment. 2 more years izoba imali if Kaizer Chiefs yamchitha yambhadala. So Kaizer Chiefs izama negotiate ngoba okay yiphi imali Kaizer Chiefs. Xa kuthethwa nge-settlement, Kaizer Chiefs izama negotiate ngoba okay yiphi imali abangamnika yona umjita. Izoba expensive if Kaizer Chiefs izombhadala zonke eza salary for 2 years. So ke ngoku that's why kuthiwa kufunyanwa i-settlement. Should negotiations fail to produce an agreement, the player is understood to be willing to remain at Naturena and see out his deal rather than leave on unfavorable terms this month. Chiefs are also exploring alternatives, including a potential loan move or permanent transfer, although any deal would need to satisfy all parties before it can be concluded. For now, Cele's future remains unresolved, with further discussions expected as the transfer window progresses. Unless a suitable solution is found, the midfielder is likely to remain contracted to Kaizer Chiefs while assessing the opportunities available to him ahead of the new season. What a story bafethu. Apha kwesi story bafethu, there's more to it bafethu. Le ndaba ayondaba only about playing ability and talent ka Thabo Cele bafethu. I think apha indaba between management noThabo Cele plus okanye into enzekileyo phakathi koCele ne-coaching staff le intsha kule 2 weeks 3 weeks Kaizer Chiefs ibejime ngayo before kuhanjwe kuyiwe eSpain izolo. Yeah bafethu ejamile sonke sabe sisijonge ngamehlo esi story, bazikhiphane story sa progress develop kanjani. Otherwise wow. Next top story bafethu sesinye ngathi siyansikrekisa yesi bafethu. Gaston Sirino is training alone as Kaizer Chiefs exit nears. Now, so story also coming from Umazola, so there's no questioning about the credibility of the story. SABC Sport can confirm that Gaston Sirino has not returned to training with Kaizer Chiefs following the arrival of new coach Fernando da Cruz, with the Uruguayan now effectively a free agent after his contract expired. So Sirino kangibuyele ejimini Kaizer Chiefs ngoba ijima Sirino ngoba efika Kaizer Chiefs last season besign contract onyaka phelile contract ngoku akabuyelanga ejimini ijambile kuse management ethe mangabuyi kanye kangembizi because his coaches zona ziyafika mosmana zazi next yabo. Sirino's deal at Naturena came to an end on 30 June, and although discussions were held behind the scenes over the possibility of extending his stay on the revised terms, no agreement has been reached. Information provided to the public broadcaster indicates that 35-year-old has not been invited to train with the first team since Da Cruz assumed his new role, while Chiefs continue preparations for the 2026-27 campaign. Yo bafethu ishumi lonke ngathi liyahamba lichithiwe Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah. Ngiyanyiwa bafethu. And then next top story bafethu is Lucas Ribeiro, the former Mamelodi Sundowns superstar. Hey lo muntu wayenza la swag bafethu bethu premiership yo le Brazilian yerongo le yo elashumi eliya namathanga amakhulu yo ayirongo le abafethu. Lucas Ribeiro wanted by Esperance as Sundowns case drags on. Mazola esusa Mazola again story Mazola usefomeni umjida yazishaya ezinye top 5 journalists lapha eMzansi ngoba umjida nguye eshayelayo apha transfer window. SABC Sport has learned that Tunisian giants Esperance de Tunis are the latest club to express serious interest in striker Lucas Ribeiro as a striker Mazola Ribeiro attacking midfield. Despite the uncertainty surrounding his ongoing dispute with former club Mamelodi Sundowns, the Brazilian has attracted no shortage of interest since becoming a free agent following the expiry of his contract with Spanish side Cultural Leonesa, who were relegated at the end of the 25-26 season. However, Ribeiro's future remains complicated by a pending FIFA tribunal involving Sundowns. The Tshwane club are awaiting a ruling after the forward left Chlorcorp last year, claiming they had blocked lucrative offers following his standout performances at the FIFA Club World Cup in the United States. Yay, Ribeiro. So Ribeiro wabele waphuma ngesivungu pha Sundowns umchita. Waphuma ngemashalwane Sundowns twaye imvalele engafuni uba makavaye umchita, and then ngoku kuthiwa zi-offers ke ngokuthiwa zininzi zi-lucrative offers ezigrot uthi kuse Ribeiro Sundowns yamvalela yo. So Ribeiro waphela evula icase Sundowns wayisa ku FIFA waphela ephuma ngemashalwane ngelo hlobo. The report continues bafethu. The public broadcaster has now established that Esperance have joined the Libyan outfit Al Ittihad Tripoli in the race for the 27-year-old's signature. La Al Ittihad Tripoli la team coachwa ngubani Rulani Mokwena la team yase Libya. It is understood that Ribeiro had already agreed personal terms with Al Ittihad, the team ka Rulani, and was prepared to reunite with former Sundowns coach Rulani Mokwena, with the move dependent on the outcome of the FIFA case. So Ribeiro was moving ngoku case yakhe neSundowns ko FIFA ingakavalwa. The report continues that there remains no official timeline for a verdict, leaving Ribeiro's next move in limbo, and the decision could clear the way for a transfer to either Esperance or Al Ittihad, or potentially compel the player to return to Sundowns and honor the remainder of his contract if he is not only ordered to pay compensation. Yeah. Sundowns unayo aphi ingawina le case inyanzelo Ribeiro ba makabuye, but ayinoba grand lo awunobuyisela umuntu ongafuna uba pha amhlalisi. So Jambile Ribeiro next season uzodlala anywhere else but iSundowns. Ngayi Esperance eTunisia okanye ayeke Al Ittihad eLibya okanye ayeke Orlando Pirates okanye ayeke Kaizer Chiefs if kusejonga ziyakwazi ususa indaba. If kusezinayo iplug Kaizer Chiefs nePirates zingamlanda nayo Ribeiro. Football business bafethu, if ufuna uba i-big club bafethu kufuneka wenze i-big moves. So yeah, I'll be following closely isi stories ka Ribeiro machita. Next top story bafethu, bafana coach machita Hugo Broos has confirmed nyanyani he is leaving, he's done, he's retiring. The reason why he has confirmed ngoBafethu, because if you remember, if you've been following the story, Hugo Bros beke wangathi ijongela qaza okay ijonga angahlala kancane okanye extend kanti uthi akajiki, but isafa izaphinde imnike enye irole umjita asipana yona pha overseas but angacoach. And iclever leyo iBafethu ajonga nencanywa leyo yenziwa ngokusafa apha yabo leyo ivelt leyo yenzayo uHugo Bros. To uHugo Bros Bafethu uyiconfirmile Hugo Bros lo bethetha ne-Belgian media last night. Footballer news, will I continue as Bafana coach? No, it is irreversible. If they need me for something else, perhaps in scouting, that is something else. But football is no longer going to be part of my life 24 hours a day. I have already had a conversation with the chairman of SAFA. He would like to keep me, but in a different role, as an advisor or something like that. I will return at the end of July to say a final farewell. I am curious to see what he will propose to me. Yabo. Bendivile le wethethwa ngoBros apha egqibeleni Bafethu ba okay ya to SAFA ingathi bafuna uBros bese scout sanoni seplayers ze bafana iSouth African players esesudlala bafana okanye engazange zadlala bafana eze-Europe. uBros uzawuscouta amajita bafana mos kudala ngapha ya zikhona players but ingekho sikhathi sozijonga grand, ingekho nemali yokwenza leyo iba kusengubani ngomane travel issue jonga players pha. And ezinye country ke ezivelt kudala ziyenza leyo eAfrica Bafethu dala zine scouts ezingapha ya. So uBros ngoku bafana yenziwe grand, uHugo uzoba pha and uHugo Bros uyazi grand bafana and uHugo Bros ustabhon kamnandi Bafethu. So andihoyanga lethaba uzoba advisor njani makabe scout lo muntu. So yeah, that is the story Bafethu. Hugo Bros uyavaya. Irumors ezincane Bafethu ezigrand endizithandayo nandithethile ngazo last week. Kuthiwa ke uPeter Mosimane uyaleada irace for ba izaba next bafana coach, and assistant yakhe ingaba uManqoba Mnqethi plus noHelmel Mkhelele. Or kanjani grand lo lineup Bafethu. Zabe ndifollow the story kancane. Another leading top story Bafethu engathusi kakhulu machita if elandela le channel izinto nithethileyo Bafethu. I think last month or the month before that about uClaude Lelepo. Le report ayothusi Bafethu. Le report iphumfikayo ngoku intsha Bafethu khona iarty ekuthiwa ngoInnocent Mkhize umjita i-insider eGrand Kaizer Chiefs. Uthi ba ise uLelepo ungathi kuse akavayanga neKaizer Chiefs yapha eSpain. Le part ifuna uverify 100%. Okwesibini thiwa uLelepo ufuna uvaya iKaizer Chiefs. Le part andiyothuki Bafethu. uLelepo dala ejambisa pha ibonakala ba akunwabanga umjita yoGrand comfortable. Nanithethile way up Bafethu ba okay umjita indaba yakhe I think istory silapha between yena ne-teammates zakhe umjita pha Kaizer Chiefs umjita kangabe khona umuntu iplay 1 or 2 uLelepo ngathi ujomana nayo okanye ba close nayo, but khona iwe endayivanga nje kancane uLelepo ngathi kuthiwa zenza kakhulu ezinye ezinto nje ezifihlwayo zingenzi ezinto ongathethwa ngazo zifihlwayo. Umthi uLelepo ngathi uLelepo Bafethu kuthiwa ijonga umjita urhaqaza kakhulu manje uLelepo kuthiwa ibaqa out yaseCongo then Kaizer Chiefs zihambela kude kuye umjita, so umjita ngathi outsider pha igroup yeplayers kangakwazi uacceptwa i-dressing room eKaizer Chiefs. So umjita kangabe grand phana on a personal level uncomfortable, and then ke uthiwa ufuna uvaya uLelepo ufuna uforce imove but kuse uthiwa ufuna uvaya free, and then Kaizer Chiefs management wa umjita unovaya nje ifuna umthengisa qha Kaizer Chiefs ngokusokola ba matholi offers for uLelepo. But ke ibikhona enye report ebiphumile last month kathiwa iMoroccan Giants eRaja Casablanca yamfuna umjita. Le ndaba yeplayers eKaizer Chiefs i-dressing room bayingamfili umjita engamfuni phana. Ingathi Kaizer Chiefs ayizokwazi ukayina le ndaba Bafethu andiqondi Bafethu. And then the next top story Bafethu elite Cape Town City elite talented kakhulu Emil Witbooi Bafethu elite sena 18 lena Orlando Pirates ngosibekuthiwa yamfuna umtshana. Kuthiwa izinto zivele yathi cwaka, and the reason why izinto zithe cwaka ivelile kuthiwa Cape Town City Bafethu ibeke iprice basejonga ayijikile light i-18 million. Orlando Pirates yabuyisa unyawo yathe cwaka akwaziwe ke ngoba Orlando Pirates izaqhubekeka imleqa umtshana. Ithi i-report from the leading journalist phaka iDiski Times uSinethemba Makhonco, Orlando Pirates have reached out to Cape Town City for teenage sensation Emil Witbooi. Orlando Pirates have reached out to Cape Town City for teenage sensation Emil Witbooi. iDiski Times can confirm that the Buccaneers have made contact over signing Witbooi, but Cape Town City stood firm on their asking price, which is around 1 million euros, which in rands 1 million euros 18.7 million, which is essentially 19 million but Pirates felt that fee was too high and talks haven't progressed further between the two sides since then. While City have been consistent with their asking price for Witbooi, Pirates see him as a perfect replacement for Relebohile Mofokeng, who recently joined the Belgium side Royal Union Saint-Gilloise. I mean, sizotsho bafethu baya Witbooi engathi like if ujonga zonke players abe SA engathi umshita yona way engathi close to Relebohile Mofokeng in terms of indlela edlala ngayo umshita. But ke Captain City yajamba maybe Pirates waphinde izame iphinde ibuye nazo bafethu istory vandag zininzi iphele transfer window bafethu zininzi eziwe bafethu ziphathisa amakhanda ndiyazi bazikhona ezinye izitori zophuma ngoku after ndipublishe le video bafethu andikwazi upublisha yonke uye bafethu and andikwazi ulinda so izitori zophuma ngoku bafethu zophinde ndize nazo ngomso okanye ngomso omnye bafethu. Otherwise nazo vandag bafethu ncinga lebali usupport ichannel bafethu mshaye ulike okanye subscribe ndingxamile uqala isizini bafethu ndizothetha ngeematches neeplayers nomdlalo bafethu. Otherwise much bafethu.